Recently, the latest technology for removing spectacles called Wavelight Plus Innovize have been launched. Let's understand what Wavelight Plus Innovize is. Wavelight Plus Innovize is the latest technology Alcon has introduced. Basically, Innovize is an upgraded version of Contura Vision. The excimer laser system EX500 used in Contura has been upgraded with a new software. The same machine can be used but with a new software. In Contura Vision, treatment planning was done using Topolyzer Vario. It planned the treatment based only on the corneal surface. On the other hand, Innovize uses the latest ray tracking technology to diagnose both inner and outer parts of the eye. It includes a sight mapping system that analyzes both the anterior and posterior surface and also maps internal optics of the eye such as lens and retina. In Innovize, a new sight map machine is used. It creates a 3D map of the eyes based on the outer and inner aberrations and treats the eyes accordingly. Through this, the patient can achieve even better than 6x6 vision. But the downside is that Innovize also has the same side effects or issues as with Contura machine. For example, flap-related complications. In Contura Vision surgery or Innovize, a flap is created on the cornea. In some cases, this flap can shift from its position. That's why flapless surgeries like TransPRK and SmartSurf are preferred nowadays. Since Innovize is fully automatic, if the patient over-accommodates during testing or is not calm and composed during the testing, feeling nervous or emotional, it can cause variations in the reading which might affect the results as well. Another concern is that this technology has been recently launched, so it's not yet possible to comment much on its results. Nowadays, new technologies come up every day, some succeed and some fail. Until the result of such technologies are proven, my advice is to choose tried and tested technologies. For example, TransPRK and SmartSurf are currently better than Innovize in many aspects. Since SmartSurf is 100% touchless technology, it also studies the entire curvature of the eye, just like Innovize, whether it's anterior surface, posterior surface or lens-induced aberration. Additionally, it creates a 3D model of the cornea with 7D tracking, providing a customized, precise and automatic treatment without any manual calculation. Thus, you can opt for SmartSurf without any fear. If you have any question regarding Innovize or other specs removal technology, ask us in comment. Also, if you want to get rid of specs through laser technology, call our helpline number and book your free consultation.